What's up guys, Mario here, and today we're going to do part 2 of the 3D text tutorial. Sorry it took me a while, I just didn't want to do it. But, here we go. So, in this we're going to do shading, and then we're going to do the custom gradient. So I'm even going to do the shading first, and essentially all you got to do is you just take your lasso tool, make a new layer above the extrusion, and then clipping mask it to the extrusion. And all you're going to do is just go around and then just lasso around where you want to make your gradient. Well, it's not your, well, it's your shadows. Yeah. So you just shade it. Actually, I have to use a bigger brush so that there's more fall off towards the edges. It just looks nicer. So you just do this all the way around, and I will come back to you guys once this is all done. Alright, so that's the top text done. I'm not going to do the bottom text because I don't want to. I'm going to show you guys how to do the custom layer style, which really, I mean, instead of fiddling with the gradient overlay in the layer styles, because it'll take too long, that's kind of boring. What I do, I just make a new layer on the top of the text, and then I clipping mask it, and then what I do is I take the pen tool. First I make my guides. I grab a guide and I put it right in the middle. And then I just click on the one side of the text, probably like towards the bottom. And then click in the middle on the guide. Hold shift and drag to the right. And then hold alt, click on the anchor point. And then hold shift and click again. And then just bring it all the way around. Make sure not to get it on the bottom text because you're going to do another one of these for the bottom. And then you go to selection, 0, and then fill it with black. And then, actually, unclipping mask that. Duplicate the layer, the Control T, right click it, transform, flip horizontal, drag it to the other side, connect it, merge them. And then hold Control and click on the thumbnail icon of the layer, and then you can hide it, make a new layer, and then this is where you take your black brush and just go across like this. And then you could do it on the same layer, it's up to you. You just Control Shift I to invert, and then you go across the top. You should clipping mask these, and then just go across the top, and then merge them, lower the opacity, and then it's up to you if you want to add like an inner glow or whatever. Maybe even a bevel and emboss to get like a little light on the edges. So yeah. I mean, you could add a layer style to the extrusion as well. You could just do a inner glow or whatever you want to do. So, that's the tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please give the video a like. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. My next tutorial will be a header tutorial. I hope to have that out this week or maybe even early next week. So, thanks for watching.